I love Bitcoin mining, but I did not pick a loud, hot mining rig. I went with GoMining instead, and here are 5 reasons why. Also, I will let you when it is more profitable to actually buy real machines and mine in your own house. Also, at the end of the video, I will show you how easy it is to upgrade a miner, and I will show you exactly how much I'm earning right now. And now let's start out with reason number 1, and it is zero infrastructure pain. Most Bitcoin mining rigs require 240 volts in order to run. This means you will have to upgrade the wiring in your house. You're going to have to upgrade your breakers in order to provide the power that these miners need. And don't forget the loud noise, the heat, the dust, and the neighbors complaining. Also, one bad fan and your hashing power is gone. With GoMining, on the other hand, you simply buy the amount of terahashes that you want and you start receiving Bitcoin every single day. No noise, no hot garage or basement, and no fire risk. And most importantly, your electrical bill will not be the same amount as your mortgage. Traditional mining, you gotta do a lot of electrical work. GoMining, everything is pretty much done for you. Reason number 2, flexibility and speed. With traditional Bitcoin mining, you literally have to buy big mining machines. With GoMining, you can start small and scale within minutes. You'll be able to pause your upgrades and adjust fast. As soon as the market changes, you'll be able to adjust. So you'll be able to scale and adjust your strategy within minutes. Unlike with traditional mining, it can take weeks. Reason number 3, risk management. Traditional Bitcoin mining rigs are a sunk cost and they will lose their value as soon as they become unprofitable. I've seen a lot of Bitcoin mining rigs sell for $30,000, $40,000, and then 3 months, 4 months later, they're literally worth a fraction of the cost. With GoMining, I literally choose when to add risk. If net payout weakens, I simply pause my upgrades. Reason number 4, the total cost is very clear. With a traditional Bitcoin mining rig, there are so many costs that you have to think about. For example, the price of the mining rig, the wiring, the sub panel, ventilation for all the hot air, soundproofing to cancel out all the noise, downtime, shipping, repairs, hosting, and resale risk. And all of these factors are constantly changing, so you always have to adjust your strategy. With GoMining, all the numbers are fully transparent. You are going to see the price per terahash and how much the fees will be. This clarity will save you time and money, and you'll know exactly what you are getting with one click of a button. And finally, reason number 5 is time. My highest value asset is time. I would rather sit right here in front of the camera and create content for you guys than to be up at 2 a.m. repairing a Bitcoin mining rig. That is why I'm a big fan of GoMining. You can literally set it and forget it without having to worry about the machine breaking down or anything. And best of all, receive those daily Bitcoin payouts. But here's a reality check. A regular Bitcoin mining rig will be way more profitable if you can achieve this one thing. If you can somehow get free power, free electricity to power your miner, you are definitely going to make a way better ROI that way. But the question is, how in the world are you going to receive free power? This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Are you tired of tax headaches every time you buy and sell crypto? Imagine stacking up for your retirement on your terms. With I Trust Capital, you can buy and sell crypto, even gold and silver, inside a tax advantage IRA 24/7. Roll over an old 401k or open a traditional or a Roth in minutes. Keep everything in one dashboard and use the institutional grade custody with straightforward fees. So if you plan on investing in crypto for the long term and you want to take advantage of all the tax benefits, you got to get yourself a I Trust Capital account. If you use the link in the description box below and you fund your account, you are going to get a $100 bonus. What are you waiting for? Check out I Trust Capital. And now we are inside of my GoMining account. As you can see, I have 5 5 different miners. If you want to start mining Bitcoin with GoMining, the link will be in the description box below. If you use that link, you'll get an extra 5% off. So we are going to be upgrading this miner right here. Simply press upgrade. We are going to press efficiency, and we are going to use this first option right here. This upgrade will cost me $249.99, and it will lower my efficiency by 1.12, which is not bad, and it will save me 19 cents a day on my fees. And right below it, we are going to select how we are going to pay. You can use your debit card, your Visa card, MasterCard, credit, Bitcoin, stablecoin, Solana, whatever you want. I'll be using the GoMining token since I have some in my account. This upgrade will cost me 609 GoMining tokens. So we are going to press pay. We are going to confirm, and within a matter of seconds, my efficiency is upgraded. It went from 27.86 down to 26.74. And now I have 7.92 GoMining tokens left in my account. And when we go over to rewards, you will see exactly how much Bitcoin I'm earning daily. As you can see right here, 0.001089 BTC. And currently the price of Bitcoin is 110,000, so that comes out to $12.02 worth of Bitcoin daily. But as you can see, lately I have not been getting paid out in Bitcoin. I have been getting paid out in GoMining tokens. That way I can upgrade my greedy machine and I can lower the efficiency so I can start getting more power and more terahashes every single week. GoMining makes the entire process super easy. So if you're just getting started, you can literally create your own miner, select how many terahashes you want, or you can go over to the marketplace and you can purchase a miner. For example, this miner right here, it will give you 3 terahashes, and when we look at the daily breakdown, you are going to be making 8 cents worth of Bitcoin every single day. This miner will cost you $85.57. But if you go back, you can literally sort it by the lowest price. So for example, this right now is the cheapest miner. You are going to get 1 terahash, and it will only cost you $23.08. That is all you need to start mining Bitcoin. So instead of spending $20,000-$30,000 to get all the electrical work done in your house to purchase a miner, you can literally purchase one on GoMining for like 20 something bucks, and you can start receiving Bitcoin every single day. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. Smash the like button, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.